Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to make a Google birthday card. Sign into your Google account and open Google Slides. Once done, set slide size, choose 16:9 for digital sharing or customize to 5x7 for print. Make sure you have one short message, a photo, and any icons saved in Drive. This speeds layout. Start by inserting a blank slide, then set background color or image so you have a consistent canvas. Next, add a text box for the recipient name to anchor the design. Now design the card. Insert your photo and use crop or mask to create rounded or square shapes. Position it as the focal point. Then add the birthday message. Use a large, readable font for the headline and a simpler font for body text. Limit to 2 fonts to maintain clarity. Once you've placed elements, use alignment guides and distribute spacing evenly. If you want flair, add shapes or stickers and apply subtle shadows so items pop without cluttering the layout. To finish, export the slide. File, download as PNG for digital or PDF for print. Choose high resolution if available. Make sure text remains crisp, then attach the file to an email or share a Drive link with viewer permission. Once shared, confirm the recipient can open the file. If something goes wrong, like fonts shifting or blurry images, reopen the slide, replace problematic fonts with web-safe ones, and re-export at a higher resolution. That one troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.